Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Jaya Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradari Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Yamunatira Vanachari Yamunatira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada. Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Jayam Vishnupada Paramahamsa Parivrajakacharyasya Ashtara Shishimari's Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam Ki Jai Nitai Gaura Premanandi. All glories to the assembled devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to the assembled devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to the assembled devotees, Hare Krishna. All glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga, all glories Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastha Bhutale Srimati Tamal Krishna Goswami Iti Namare. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastha Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namare. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Pasyata Desatarine. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Narayanam Namaskritya
Narayanam Namaskritya
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
Devim Saraswati Vyasam
Tato Jayamudiraye Nassa Prayashu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavate Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. Hare Krishna. Good morning.
早晨，
Thank you for coming to this morning Srimad Bhagavatam class.
多謝大家嚟到參加今天聖啲博家談早課。
We are reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Creation, Chapter 15, The Pandavas Retire Timely, and we are doing text 37.
我哋今日繼續閱讀聖典博家談第一篇創造第15章，潘達華兄弟及時退隱第37節。
All right, before we read today's verse, we can get an overview or summary of what's happening, or what has happened.
咁我哋讀今日嘅詩字之前咧，我哋咧就會有一個總結啦。喺話俾大家聽，喺呢個詩字之前發生過啲乜嘢。
So what thus far has happened is Arjuna had gone to visit Krishna in Dwaraka.
咁咧就係發生咗啲咩事咧？就阿 Arjuna 咧去到 Dwaraka 咧係探訪 Krishna。
While he was there, Maharaj Yudhishthira is seeing so many inauspicious things going in his capital or in Hastinapur.
咁當阿 Arjuna 去咗揾 Krishna 嘅時候咧，Yudhishthira 王咧就喺 Hastinapur 啦，喺佢居住嘅地方，就見到好多好唔吉祥嘅徵兆出現。
So Maharaj Yudhishthira is not an ordinary person.
咁 Yudhishthira 王唔係一個普通人。
So when he saw many signs that are not auspicious, he suspected.
咁當佢見到啲咁多唔吉祥嘅徵兆出現嘅時候咧，佢就有啲懷疑啦。
His suspicion was something was wrong. Maybe Krishna is gone.
咁佢咧就覺得有啲嘢咧係唔啱嘅，即係有啲唔對勁嘅嘢發生咗，可能咧 Krishna 已經離開咗。
So he had a long discussion with his brother Bhishma.
咁於是咧佢就同
Bhima.
佢嘅弟弟啊 Bhima 咧就有個好長嘅對話。
So while they were discussing, Arjuna returned.
咁當佢哋喺度討論緊嘅時候咧，Arjuna 就翻咗嚟啦。
But then Arjuna, when he walked in, he didn't look happy at all.
咁但係當Arjuna行入嚟嘅時候咧，佢一啲都唔開心。
Yeah. So just like when you come to the temple, you shouldn't look very unhappy.
咁所以咧，同樣地咧，當我哋嚟到廟堂嘅時候咧，我哋唔應該咧係個樣好唔開心嘅。
Yeah. So Arjuna, when he came, his face and his mannerism was like everything is lost.
咁咧就當Arjuna 翻到嚟嘅時候咧，佢就完全係好失望嘅表情咧，好似失去晒所有嘢咁樣。
So Yudhishthira Maharaj looked at him and without asking, he asked him, "How is everyone in Dwaraka?"
咁於是咧，Yudhishthira王就好巧妙問佢喺 Dwaraka 每一個人佢哋點啊？
And he asked many questions, and the way Arjuna was behaving. Maharaj Yudhishthira understood that they've all gone.
咁當即係Yudhishthira王就問咗Arjuna好多嘅問題啦。咁淨係睇到Arjuna點樣回答呢啲問題咧，Yudhishthira王已經明白到啦，所有人咧已經走晒。
But he still wasn't sure because he didn't get the answer.
咁但係佢仍然唔係100%肯定，因為佢得唔到呢個正式嘅答案。
But finally, Arjuna, he was feeling very dejected and he was feeling very unhappy. Then he said, Krishna has left.
咁跟住Arjuna非常之沮喪啦，非常之唔開心啦。佢最後咧就講咗出嚟啦。佢話 Krishna 咧已經離開咗。
Not just only Krishna has left, but the whole Yadu dynasty, everyone had gone. They fought and killed themselves and left.
咁唔單止係Krishna 已經離開咗啦，係成個 Yadu 王朝嘅成員啦，佢哋互相打鬥啦，然之後咧殺死對方，所有咧都離開晒啦。
And Arjuna then started to talk about how wonderful his friendship and love was with Krishna.
於是咧，Arjuna 就開始形容啦，佢同 Krishna 之間嗰個嘅關係係幾咁嘅美妙同埋令人喜樂。
He was remembering so much mercy Krishna gave him, so much wisdom Krishna gave him.
佢咧喺度記憶住咧，係 Krishna 俾咗幾多嘅仁慈啦，同埋智慧俾佢。
And Krishna came to do so many wonderful pastimes. Now all of a sudden he's gone.
咁咧 Krishna 喺呢個世界顯現啦，上演咗好多好美妙嘅逍遙時光。突然之間佢就走咗啦。
Just like if you come to take darshan one day and Donita is gone.
就好似咧，如果你嚟到廟堂咁樣，突然之間有一日咧，發覺咧唔見到Shishikorai。
How would each of you feel?
你哋每一個人會點樣諗咧
Some of you may feel emotionally drained, or some of you may not even feel anything.
咁有啲人可能覺得喺情感上咧變得一片空虛，但係有啲人咧可能咧乜嘢都感覺唔到。
So the same way when Krishna left, we can see Arjuna and his brothers, the whole family, they just cannot.
咁同樣地啦， 當 Krishna 離開咗之後咧，你會見到咧 Arjuna 同埋佢成個屋，即係成家人咧，都冇辦法可以接受到呢個事實。
Okay. But in any case, he was recognizing that he can't do anything about Krishna going back to Godhead.
咁但係 Arjuna 明白到咧，其實佢冇Krishna 離開呢個事實咧，其實佢咩都做唔到嘅。
Krishna went back to his original place, his own abode.
Krishna 咧翻返去原本嘅地方，去原本居住嘅地方。
And Krishna now in his spiritual world is having his own loving exchanges with different devotees.
咁咧 Krishna 喺佢嘅靈性嘅居所度咧，同佢親愛嘅同伴一齊咧，係有啲好非常之美妙嘅交流。
So while he is explaining all this, Kunti Maharani is listening to the fact that Krishna is also gone. She is also feeling, amazed and at the same time dejected, and she's feeling separation.
咁同一時間咧，當阿 Arjuna 喺度講述呢啲事情嘅時候咧，觀節皇后咧就其實係都喺度聆聽緊嘅。咁同樣地咧，佢都感覺到咧係呢個分離嘅痛苦啦，非常之沮喪啦，非常之唔開心。
And so Sutta Goswami explains how she immediately started to do devotional service and started to immerse herself in Krishna.
咁咧Sutta Goswami都有描述到啦。咁喺呢一刻咧，觀節皇后就即刻就開始咧係做呢一個奉愛服務啦，將自己咧完全沉浸喺 Krishna 當中。
So when Maharaj Yudhishthira heard this thing, he then prepared to give up everything.
咁當 Yudhishthira 王聽到呢一支嘢發生緊嘅時候咧，佢就即刻咧就決定咧，佢準備好咧要放棄一切所有嘅嘢。
Of course, he just didn't get up from his throne and run away to the forest. He put his grandson Parikshit Maharaj as the king, and then he made sure his duties are handled properly. 咁
當然啦，佢唔係就話就咁樣起身就我走啦咁樣就唔係。咁佢咧係安排好晒一切嘅嘢啦，佢將佢嘅孫啦 Parikshit 王咧就係繼位啦，成為呢個國王啦，然之後亦都將所有一切佢嘅職責咧都安排好。
And as you read further, you'll find Maharaj Yudhishthira also give up his royal clothing, jewels, everything.
咁跟住我哋亦都會講到咧，Yudhishthira王亦都係放棄佢嘅即係呢個皇帝嘅一啲衣服啦、首飾啦等等。
And he dressed like an ordinary mendicant and went towards the Himalayas.
佢就打扮成一個好似好普通嘅退隱者咁樣，就去到呢個喜馬拉雅山嗰度。
So when he decided to do that, the rest of the Pandava brothers, they all looked at each other and say, we also better follow Yudhishthira. 咁當 Yudhishthira 王咁樣做嘅時候咧，Pandava 其他兄弟咧就望住，跟住就諗啊，我哋都應該跟從 Yudhishthira 王咧一齊咁樣做。And in this way, the whole family left and they attained Godhead.
咁咧，於是成個家庭就離開咗啦，佢咧就回歸神手。
All right, so today's verse, let's chant.
咁我哋一齊讀今日嘅詩節。
Okay, got the verse 37. Yeah. Yudhishthirastat parisharpanam Buddha.
Yudhishthirastat parisapanam Buddha.
Yudhishthirastat parisharpanam Buddha.
Yudhishthirastat parisapanam Buddha.
Pure charastre cha grihe tatatmani.
Pure charastre cha grihe tatatmani.
Vibhavya lobandrita jima himsanadi.
Vibhavya lobandrita jima himsanadi.
Adharma chakram gamanaya paryada.
Adharma chakram gamanaya paryada.
Yudhishthirastat parisharpanam Buddha.
Yudhishthirastat parisapanam Buddha.
Pure charastre cha grihe tatatmani.
Pure charastre cha grihe tatatmani.
Vibhavya lobandrita jima himsanadi.
Vibhavya lobandrita jima himsanadi.
Adharma chakram gamanaya paryadat.
Adharma chakram gamanaya paryadat.
You will read the translation.
譯文 Yudhishthira 王有足夠嘅智慧了解卡利年代嘅影響，他以貪婪、虛偽、欺詐和暴力為特徵，在首都、國家、家庭與個人間不斷增加泛濫者，因此他明智地為離開家做準備，並穿上相應嘅衣服。
Okay, let me read the translation also. Maharaj Yudhishthira was intelligent enough to understand the influence of the age of Kali, characterized by increasing avarice, falsehood, cheating and violence throughout the capital, state and home and among individuals. So he wisely prepared himself to leave home and he dressed accordingly. Purport. The present age is influenced by the specific qualities of Kali. Since the days of the battle of Kurukshetra, about 5,000 years ago, the influence of the age of Kali began manifesting, and from authentic scriptures it is learned that the age of Kali is still to run on for 427,000 years. The symptoms of Kali Yuga as mentioned above, namely avarice, falsehood, diplomacy, cheating, nepotism, violence and all such things are already in vogue, and no one can imagine what is going to happen gradually with further increase of the influence of Kali till the day of annihilation. We have already come to know that the influence of the age of Kali is meant for godless so-called civilized men. Those who are under the protection of the Lord have nothing to fear from this horrible age. Maharaj Yudhishthira was a great devotee of the Lord, and there was no necessity of his being afraid of the age of Kali, but he preferred to retire from active household life and prepare himself to go back home, back to Godhead. The Pandavas are eternal companions of the Lord, and therefore they are more interested in the company of the Lord than anything else. Besides that, being an ideal king, Maharaj Yudhishthira wanted to retire just to set an example for others. As soon as there is some young fella to look after the household affairs, one should at once retire from family life to uplift oneself to spiritual realization. One should not rot in the dark well of household life till one is dragged out by the will of Yamaraja. Modern politicians should take lessons from Maharaj Yudhishthira about voluntary retirement from active life and should make room for the younger generation. Also, retired old gentlemen should take lessons from him and leave home for spiritual realization before being forcibly dragged away to meet death.
要指我們現在所處嘅這個年代受到卡利特徵嘅影響，從大約5000年前嘅 Kurukshetra 戰爭起，卡利年代嘅影響就開始逐漸展示出來。而權威嘅啟示經典告訴我們，卡利年代還要延續427000年嘅時間。這次詩中所提到嘅貪婪、虛偽、欺詐、任人唯親和暴力等所有卡利年代嘅象徵，正在到處泛濫。沒人能想像，直到毀滅的那一天，卡利嘅影響會逐漸增強到什麼程度。我們已經知道，卡利年代嘅影響只會施加在不信神嘅所謂文明人身上。託庇於至尊主保護嘅人，不需要害怕這個可怕嘅年代。Yudhishthira 王係至尊主偉大嘅奉獻者，所以根本不需要害怕卡利年代。儘管如此，他還是寧願退出居士生活嘅活動，為回歸家園回到守神身邊做準備。Pandava 兄弟都是至尊主永恆嘅同伴，因此更喜歡與至尊主在一起。除此之外，作為君王嘅典範， Yudhishthira 王退出居士生活，也是為了給世人樹立榜樣。一旦年輕人可以掌管居士事務時，年長之人就該立刻退出家庭生活，從事能夠提升自我嘅靈修活動。人不應該讓自己在居士生活黑暗嘅深井裏腐爛發霉，直至被閻羅王 Yamaraj 嘅使子拖出來。現代政治家應該像 Yudhishthira 王學習， 自動退出政治生涯，讓年輕嘅那一代有更多嘅施展空間。而且退休嘅老紳士應該以 Yudhishthira 王為榜樣，為追求靈性覺悟而離開家，不要等到被死神硬拖走的那一天。
Om Ajnanatamrandasya Jana Jana Shalakaya Chakshushanmilitamena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Mukam Karati Vachalam Pangum Langete Gurum Yadkripatamam Vande Shri Gurum Denataranam Paramananda Madam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sahodita Gododaya Pushpanti Chitra Sandho Tamamrado. So just read the translation one more time. Maharaj Yudhishthira was intelligent enough to understand the influence of the age of Kali, characterized by increasing avarice, falsehood, cheating and violence throughout the capital, state and home and among individuals. So he wisely prepared himself to leave home and he dressed accordingly.
譯文 Yudhishthira 王有足夠嘅智慧了解卡利年代嘅影響，他以貪婪、虛偽、欺詐和暴力為特徵，在首都、國家、家庭與個人間不斷增加氾濫着。因此，他明智地為離開家做準備，並穿上相應嘅衣服。
So when we study this verse and we see Maharaj Yudhishthira, we can understand that as a devotee, he is able to recognize things that are going wrong or things that are right.
咁我哋睇到呢個詩節咧 Yudhishthira 王作為一個奉獻者咧，其實佢係睇到咧邊啲嘢咧係正確咁發生緊，邊啲嘢咧係唔正確咁樣發生緊。
What it means is when we practice Krishna consciousness properly, according to what Prabhupada has given, according to the Shastra, our intelligence becomes purified and we are able to recognize what is wrong and right.
咁當我哋根據聖爸爸嘅教導同埋經典嘅教導嚟到收集嘅時候咧，我哋嘅智慧咧就會得到淨化，咁我哋咧就能夠咧分辨咧邊啲係啱，邊啲係錯。
When you practice bhakti or devotion very carefully, you are automatically protected.
咁如果我哋好小心咁樣去收集奉愛嘅話咧，我哋咧自動咧就會被保護。
So this influence of Kali Yuga actually cannot touch us.
咁即係話咧，卡利嘅影響咧係唔會即係佢對唔會影響到我哋。
And Maharaj Yudhishthira is a very powerful king.
咁而 Yudhishthira 係一個非常之有力量嘅國王。
And why did he decide I'm going to get out of this place?
咁點解佢要決定我要離開呢個地方啦？
Because he could see this influence is now more predominant. Even between people, individually also they are affected now.
因為佢睇到咧，卡利嘅影響咧越嚟越氾濫啊！咁就算人與人之間咧，其實咧都喺度影響緊。
He has already done as much as he could, and he's gone through so much in his life already.
佢咧佢能夠做嘅嘢咧，佢已經做咗啦，而佢人生咧係充滿咗好多發生好多嘅事情。
Could he stay back and continue as the king? Yes.
佢可唔可以留低繼續做皇帝咧？係可以嘅。
But his heart is now feeling a lot of separation from Krishna.
但係內心咧係感受到咧係同 Krishna 分離嘅呢個情感越嚟越強。
So therefore he is feeling I have done and I'm ready to go back.
咁所以咧佢就感覺到咧我已經我要做嘢都做晒啦，圓滿啦，我而家咧已經準備好咧要離開。
The devotees will stay back if Krishna says you stay back.
咁如果 Krishna 話同奉獻者講你要留低，咁奉獻者咧就會留低。
Yeah, but here obviously when Krishna left, he didn't give them any more instruction to stay back. Unlike Uddhava.
咁當然啦，喺呢個時刻咧 ，Krishna 已經離開咗 ，Krishna 亦都冇任何指示咧，話咧要佢哋繼續留低，除咗 Uddhava。
So here we can see Yudhishthira Maharaj is, as Prabhupada says, he's not afraid of the age of Kali.
咁喺度咧，聖帕帕喺要旨入邊都有提到啦 ，Yudhishthira 王咧並唔害怕卡利。
He's thinking, why I have to be a king and continue enjoying this household life?
佢只喺度諗啊，點解我要繼續做呢個國王咧，去享受呢個居士嘅生活咧？
It's time for me to retire.
呢個咧係我適當嘅退休嘅時候啦。
So that means it's also a lesson for us also. At a certain point in our life, ideally, we should also say that's enough of material living. Retire.
同樣地咧，對奉獻者嚟講啦，咁其實喺適當嘅時候咧，我哋都會同自己講啊，呢個係合適嘅時候啦，我夠啦，而我已經唔需要再喺物質生活嗰度打滾啦，我就可以退休。
So when you practice properly, you will develop foresight and detachment.
咁如果我哋係正確咁收集咧，我哋就會有呢個預知嘅能力啦，同埋咧係棄絕嘅能力。
In the first canto, in the second chapter, Sukadeva Goswami or Sutta Goswami explains to the sages of Naimisharanya, but he says Vasudeva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojita Janati Asu Vairagyam Jnanam Chahat Ahaitukam. Basically, when you do devotional service, automatically understanding comes and detachment also comes.
咁呢個係聖典博家談第一篇嘅第二章 Sutta Goswami 就從 Lakshmanvaya 嘅森林入邊嘅聖人就講啦，當你正確咁去收集奉愛嘅話咧，呢個棄絕即係自然就會出現。
So therefore, when you're practicing nicely, you automatically know when to retire.
咁所以如果你係好好咁去收集咧，你就會好明確咧知道你幾時應該去退休。
This is the beauty of being a devotee. If you are practicing strictly and nicely, you will retire because you will know Krishna will protect you.
咁所以呢個係一個好好嘅即係收集嘅奉獻者啦，佢就會自動咧就會知道咧 Krishna 幾時咧想去退休，而佢都有信心咧 Krishna 咧係會保護佢。
They understand I have enough now. I don't need to keep doing all this because if I don't have to be here, Krishna will arrange for me to go.
咁因為佢會呢個奉獻者咧。作為奉獻者非常之好啦，因為知道我已經有足夠嘅嘢啦。咁如果 Krishna 想我走咧，佢就會安排我會離開。
They also understand that I don't want to live so long, seeing so much nonsense going on.
咁佢都會明白到咧，我唔需要咁長命嘅，見到即係喺度咧睇到咁多呢啲咁無聊嘅嘢咧喺度繼續發生。
Which is why Prahlad Maharaj said from a very young age you have to start developing your Krishna consciousness.
咁所以點解 Prahlad Maharaj 咧就話喺好年青好細個嘅時候咧就要開始咧培養你嘅 Krishna 知覺。
Because human life is very rare, we have to make sure we understand the purpose of human life and act accordingly.
因為咧有人嘅呢一個生命咧係呢個身體咧非常之係寶貴嘅，所以我哋咧一定要明白到我哋應該做啲乜嘢，應該個目標係乜嘢。
And this is pretty much what you are seeing or will see throughout the rest of these verses until the end of this chapter.
咁咧，我哋跟住喺呢一章入邊咧，剩翻來嘅詩節咧，都會見到咧，都係講緊同一樣嘅嘢。
How to retire timely.
係點樣咧？喺適當嘅時候咧退休。
And Srila Prabhupada in the purport he says how Kali Yuga started around approximately 5,000 years ago.
咁喺要旨入邊咧，聖巴巴亦提到啦，卡利年代咧，大約喺5000年前咧係開始顯現。
Another 427,000 years to go.
咁咧仍然咧係卡利年代咧係會延續咧427000年嘅時間。
And you can already see how horrible these politicians are.
你而家已經可以睇到咧，呢啲政治家係幾咁嘅可怕。
And the amazing thing is they cannot understand people can suffer.
但係最可怕嘅地方就係佢哋呢啲政治家唔明白咧其他人所受嘅痛苦。
Leaders, kings, and so on must be able to feel how the commoners are feeling also. They should develop empathy.
咁咧呢啲領導者啦、國王啦，佢哋應該咧係要能夠咧係感同身受，感受到其他人佢哋嘅其實係個感受嘅嘢。
But we see they are not interested. They are all thinking of their own pockets.
咁但係咧，佢哋從來都對啲嘢冇興趣，佢即係諗佢自己嘅嘢。
And so if we cannot change their consciousness, then how can we even live in this way?
如果我哋冇辦法改變呢啲人嘅知覺咧，我哋點可以咧係繼續用呢個方法嚟到係去生活落去咧？
You cannot change everyone, but at least you can change yourself and some devotees or some people willing to listen.
我哋冇辦法改變其他人啦，但係呢啲人啦，但係最起碼咧，我哋可以改變自己啦，或者咧係我哋身邊嘅少數嘅人啦，同埋奉獻者。
And in sharing our understanding of Krishna consciousness with innocent people or people who are willing to come, then we grow and we get the mercy of Krishna also.
咁如果我哋咧係同願意聆聽嘅呢啲人咧嚟到分享我哋 Krishna 知覺收集嘅呢一啲嘅過程啦，咁我哋咧從中亦都會長大，亦都會得到 Krishna 嘅仁慈。
And we can see here, Srila Prabhupada highlights how so much, he writes there, so much avarice. You know what avarice is?
Greed,
Yeah, extreme greed.
extreme greed。咁
Not
呢度
just
咧，
greed.
呢度咧係聖爸爸喺要旨入邊提到呢一個貪婪，呢個極度嘅貪婪。
Extreme greed for what? For wealth and material things.
咁貪婪啲乜嘢咧？就係物質嘅嘢啦，同埋財富。
So this is very common now and people think it's okay.
咁咧呢個係非常之普遍嘅現象，而一般人咧覺得呢個係冇問題嘅。
And there's so much lies. People, even the kings nowadays, they lie. The politicians lie. Family members lie.
所有人咧都係會講大話啦，咁包括呢個領袖啦、總統啦、皇帝啦，就算係家庭嘅成員之間，亦都會係咁樣做。
And if they are nice to you, they're actually trying to take advantage of you.
如果佢對你好咧，其實咧佢哋只係想咧係從你身上咧得到啲利益。
And then there's another thing Prabhupada highlights, nepotism. And that means showing favoritism usually to friends and family members.
咁你爸爸亦都講到係任人唯親啦，即係話咧你會更加咧係俾利益咧你嘅親人啊、朋友啊等等。
You can see this especially in the American politics here.
咁你咧喺全世界都會見到，又係喺美國嘅政治入邊。
The president has put his own friends, people who are not qualified, but he puts them because they are his friends.
咁美國總統咧就將佢嘅 friend 咧就等咗落去呢個政府入邊啦。雖然呢啲人咧其實根本冇呢個資格做呢個職位。
And so when you have unqualified people ruling the country, definitely people will not be happy.
咁當然如果你有呢啲係冇資格嘅人咧，係去統治呢個國家嘅時候咧，人民咧就唔會快樂。
When unqualified means they don't know how to rule anyway.
冇資格嘅話咧，即係話咧佢根本就唔識得點樣去統治。
These are very evil, selfish, and cruel people who are now trying to control the ordinary people.
咁呢啲係一啲好殘忍啦、好自我中心啦、好冇唔仁慈嘅人啦，佢哋咧就係控制其他人。
So as practicing devotees, we try to go out and help people understand this problem in society.
咁作為一個修習奉獻者咧，我哋會出到社會嗰度咧，係讓其他人咧係明白呢一樣嘢。
Because if we don't do that, then the modes of ignorance and passion will be very predominant.
如果我哋唔咁樣做嘅話咧，呢個激情同埋愚昧屬性咧就會變得咧更加強大。
And if people are in the mode of passion and ignorance, they cannot understand God or anything to do with scriptures.
咁如果係當一個人處於呢個激情同埋愚昧屬性嘅話咧，佢根本冇辦法能夠咧係了解神啦，或者係任何嘅經典。
Then if we cannot preach and we cannot do, then what we can do? We can only sit in the temple and chant.
咁如果我哋冇辦法去傳教嘅話咧，咁我哋可以做啲咩？我哋可能就只可以坐喺廟堂嗰度咧，係去念誦。
But if we are not advanced ourselves, then we also won't be happy.
如果我哋咧唔去進步嘅話咧，我哋咧都唔會開心。
Therefore, we have to really practice sincerely and beg Sri Sri Gaura to bless us so that we have the strength to go through the difficulties of Kali Yuga as well as able to connect with people.
咁所以我哋咧要向書書居齋祈禱啦，希望得到佢仁慈啦，令到我哋可以好咁去收集啦，同埋咧可以同其他人咧係聯繫埋一齊。
When we connect with people in a loving way, their greed, their falsehood, and their diplomatic way of dealing with people, their cheating propensity, even the need for violence, all this will go down.
咁如果我哋能夠同其他人咧係好咁聯繫嘅話咧，呢一啲唔好嘅品質啦、虛偽啊、欺詐、暴力啊等等咧，都會咧係減低嘅。
When there is knowledge that spirituality is very important, even criminals will respect saintly people.
咁如果佢有呢個知識咧，係呢個靈性嘅知識嘅話咧，就算連呢一個罪犯咧，其實佢都會咧係尊重咧一啲係收集嘅人。
But when there's only ignorance, then they will see the saintly people as an obstacle for their control.
咁但係如果佢處於呢個愚昧當中咧，佢哋就會視咧呢一啲神聖嘅人啦，聖人咧就係一啲係令到佢哋去控制，會阻礙佢哋去控制嘅一啲嘅障礙物。
So when we practice Krishna consciousness very sincerely and seriously, we are protected by Krishna.
如果我哋係能夠好真誠同埋好認真咁去收集 Krishna 知覺咧 ，Krishna 咧就會保護我哋。
And we don't feel the effects or the effects of the Kali Yuga, and therefore we are always happy.
我哋咧唔會感受到卡利對我哋嘅影響，所以我哋咧恆常都會快樂。
Should be happy.
應該快樂。
So practice nicely.
如果我哋好好咁去收集嘅話咧，我哋應該係快樂嘅。
So if you look back, or all of you know, recently we had Nrsimha Chaturdasi, so we see how Prahlad Maharaj was happy in such a terrible situation.
咁我哋啱啱就過咗 Nrsimha Chaturdasi 啦 ，Nrsimha Dev 嘅顯現日啦。咁我哋會睇到咧 Prahlad Maharaj 無論喺咩狀況之中咧，佢都係咁快樂嘅。
He was so happy that even Hiranyakashipu was saying, "How are you so happy?"
因為 Prahlad 咧就太開心啦，連 Hiranyakashipu 都問佢點解你成日都咁開心㗎？
Or he said it in a different way. He said, "How are you so proud and rude that you are fearless, that you can overcome me?"
咁佢係用另一個方法去講啊，點解你咁驕傲，竟然咧話你冇任何嘅恐懼，竟然咧你覺得咧你可以咧係戰勝我。
So he said, "Abhitavad." That means you have no fear. How is that possible?
咁啊，Hiranyakashipu繼續講，點解你完全冇恐懼嘅？點解可以發生嘅？
Because all the demigods are so afraid of Hiranyakashipu, they were like his servants.
因為咧，所有嘅半神人咧都非常之驚呢一個 Hiranyakashipu 嘅，咁所以半神人就變咗係佢嘅僕人。
So he was saying, "Where did you get this power?"
咁 Hiranyakashipu 繼續問Prahlad，你喺邊度得到呢啲力量㗎？
Yeah, so fearfulness is also a power that we can develop by being Krishna consciousness.
咁即係話咧，我哋通過咧係 Krishna 知覺咧，我哋都可以咧係培養到呢一個無懼嘅呢一個嘅品質。
So he asked Prahlad Maharaj, "Where did you get the power?"
咁Hiranyakashipu就問 Prahlad，你喺邊度得到呢啲力量㗎？
So then Prahlad Maharaj said, "The person who gave you your power has also given me the same."
跟住咧，Prahlad Maharaj 就講啦，呢個俾你力量嘅人咧，同樣亦都係同樣地咧，係將呢個力量咧係俾咗我。
He said, "The person who has given you the power is now protecting me, so I have nothing to be afraid."
呢個俾力量俾你嘅人咧，而家咧就喺度保護我，咁所以咧我冇嘢係會害怕嘅。
Yeah. So when we don't know what is reality, then whatever that we feel or fear is based on ignorance.
咁如果我哋唔知道真相嘅話咧，我哋所有我哋恐懼嘅嘢咧，其實咧都係建基於愚昧之上。
Generally, you find the common people, they go through terrible life situation, but they forget after a while.
咁如果對一個普通人嚟講咧，佢哋可能會經歷一啲好人生入邊一啲好可怕嘅事情啦，就係過咗之後咧，佢就會忘記咗。
Yeah, because there's no usefulness in forgetting painful experiences.
There's no
usefulness. If we forget such things, then we don't change.
咁即係話咧，如果你忘記呢啲你人生嘅痛苦嘅嘢咧，咁其實係呢啲事情對你嚟講係冇用嘅。
When we are Krishna consciousness, we remember those bad things that has happened in our life and so on, and we regret and we want to change.
咁如果我哋係收集嘅話咧，我哋就會記住呢一啲唔好嘅嘢啦，然之後咧我哋會好傷心啦，然之後我哋就會去改變。
So we are not afraid of remembering things that has been bad in our previous life also.
所以我哋咧就算我人生有啲好痛苦嘅唔好嘅嘢咧，我哋 唔驚去記住呢啲嘢嘅。
Prabhupada said we actually thank Krishna for protecting us and keeping us well in what we are doing even now. Yeah.
咁並巴布甚至話咧，我哋應該咧多謝 Krishna 啦，係能夠令到我哋咧係繼續咧可以即係喺而家呢個狀態度咧係繼續咧係去收集落去。
So we can say, Krishna, you have protected me. I'm so thankful for so many difficult experiences I went through. I'm still here as your devotee.
咁咧，我哋會同 Krishna 講啦，我真係要好多謝你啦。我雖然經歷咗咁多嘅痛苦、咁多嘅困難，但係喺度咧，我仍然咧係喺度收集緊啦。
And my safety is with you always.
咁而我嘅安全咧係永遠同你喺埋一齊。
If you look at your own life for so many years from the time you were young, you can see you did so many nonsense, but still Krishna has brought you back.
咁我哋睇翻我自己人生啦，由細到大我哋做咗太多一啲無謂嘅嘢啦。咁但係咧點都好啦 ，Krishna 仍然咧係帶領住我哋仍然係繼續喺度收集緊。
And therefore He's protecting us all the time.
咁即係話咧，佢無時無刻咧都喺度保護緊我哋。
So devotees are not afraid because of that.
咁所以因為咁咧，所以奉獻者咧係唔會恐懼嘅。
So when we think of all the mistakes we did, foolish thing, we can laugh now.
咁如果你諗翻你自己所做嘅錯誤嘅嘢啦，你就會笑。
Yes, I was a fool. I was a stupid man, a foolish man. We can agree. We can accept that.
你會諗翻我真係蠢啊，一個大蠢材嚟嘅。我哋咧能夠接受到呢一點。
There's nothing to lose. There's no face to save.
咁我哋咧冇嘢會損失嘅，亦都咧呢啲面子咧亦都冇乜所謂嘅。
Yeah, so we shouldn't be afraid of anything because Krishna is always there. And in Bhagavad Gita, he says, Kanteya pratijana hi name bhakta pranashyati. O son of Kunti, declare boldly that I will protect my devotees and my devotee never perishes.
咁Krishna喺《佛家梵歌》入邊講啦，我會保護我嘅奉獻者，我嘅奉獻者永遠都唔會被毀滅。
Yeah, so it's very important to understand these principles when we read the Bhagavatam also, why Maharaj Yudhishthira is not afraid anymore.
咁所以咧，當我哋閱讀聖典博家嘅談嘅時候，我哋都要明白呢個原則啦。點解咧Yudhishthira王咧係一啲都唔害怕
？The Pandavas were like instruments for Krishna. They've established Dharma, but still Kali Yuga is so powerful. So they said, we have done our duty.
咁咧呢個 Pandavas 佢哋係呢個宗教原則嘅代表啦，佢哋重建呢個宗教原則啦，跟住佢哋已經話啦，我哋所做嘅嘢已經做晒啦，已經完結啦。
They are pure devotees, so they know they've done everything. But now Kali Yuga is coming, and it's time for Kali Yuga to progress, and so they decided to go.
咁佢哋係純粹嘅奉獻者，咁佢哋要做嘢都做晒啦，佢哋都知道咧，明白到咧呢個時候咧就係迦葉年代要逐漸咁樣係展現嘅時候啦，咁所以咧佢哋已經係準備好離開。
We are all not Pandavas.
我哋並唔係 Pandavas，
so we cannot say I'm retiring.
咁你就唔可以話咧，我而家要退休啦。
If you want to retire, you ask your spiritual master.
如果你要退休咧，你要問你嘅靈性導師。
Yeah, I want to just sit and chant.
我可唔可以淨係去聖地嗰度咧，坐喺度念經
？In the early days also some devotees asked Prabhupada, Prabhupada to sit and chant. Prabhupada say, okay.
咁有啲喺早期嘅年代咧，亦都有啲奉獻者會問Prabhupada，我可唔可以淨係去到聖地坐喺度念經啊？Prabhupada，好啊，你去啦。
But there are many cases where they cannot sit in one place and chant for 24 hours like Haridas Thakur.
咁但係咧喺絕大部分情況之下咧，呢啲奉獻者已經冇可能咧係一日24小時坐喺度念經嘅，就好似 Haridas Thakur 咁樣。
Our protection comes in serving the lotus feet of Sri Guru, Gauranga, Srila Prabhupada and our spiritual master.
咁其實我哋嘅仁慈咧係通過咧為靈性導師啦、聖Prabhupada啦、Gauranga 嘅服務咧而得到嘅。
We should serve until we cannot have any more physical ability or we are about to die. The mood should be like that.
咁我哋嘅心水應該就係咧，我哋係一直要為佢哋服務啦，直至到我哋嘅身體咧嗰一刻咧已經冇可能再做呢樣嘢啦，我哋準備死亡嘅嗰一刻。
I remember I was cooking for the deities in 2002. No, 2001.
In Houston?
Yeah, September 11, 2001.
September 11 2000咁帕波記得咧就係2001年 September the 10th of September
11.
9112001年9月11號佢咧就喺廟堂嗰度咧為神像煮飯啊。
And so one devotee came running. Prabhu, there, the plane is crashing in the tower in New York. There's going to be war.
跟住咧又突然間有鳳姐就衝入嚟同我講，呢個飛機咧撞向呢個世貿大廈恐怖襲擊啊，就係咧會打仗啊。
And then I was thinking, oh, that is very bad. But I was also thinking I still have to cook and offer the deity. That was more in my mind.
咁跟住我話即係好大件事發生喎。不過當時咧，我就喺度繼續諗，我仍然要繼續煮飯，要繼續咧係為神像準備佢嘅晚餐。
But the devotee was very emotional and started crying. Oh, they're going to fight. Everything is going to go bad.
咁跟住個奉獻者就非常之情緒化啦，喺度喊啦，哎呀，所有嘢都冇啦咁樣。
So then I was thinking, I was telling, if there's war, Prabhupada said just go to Mayapur and sit and chant.
咁正爸爸亦都講過，如果真係打仗，我哋就去媽耶普度坐喺度咧，就係念誦。
Yeah, if there's war all over the world, what can you do anymore?
如果真係全世界都打呢個世界大戰，我哋真係冇乜嘢可以做嘅。
But the devotee was so overwhelmed, so overwhelmed.
但係嗰個鳳姐就好受呢樣嘢影響。
So then when I was reading Srila Prabhupada's book, Prabhupada said, as long as you're doing devotion, devotional services, then you have nothing to fear.
咁但係咧，當我閱讀聖爸爸嘅書嘅時候咧，聖爸爸就好明確咁講啦，如果你係做緊奉愛服務嘅話咧，你冇嘢需要害怕嘅。
Because everything is in the hands of Krishna. We cannot control many things in life.
因為所有嘢咧都係 Krishna 控制啦，喺我哋人生入邊，我哋冇乜嘢可以控制到。
Narayana para sarve na kutaschana bibyate swarga pavarga naraskeshu apitulyata darshinaha. Where it is said, devotees solely engage in devotional service of the Supreme Lord of Narayana. They are never fearful in any condition of life.
咁經典有講啦，當個鳳姐去完全咧係為呢個 Narayana 至尊主做服務嘅時候咧，佢人生入邊咧冇嘢需要害怕。
For them, whether they go to the heavenly planets or they go to hellish planets, it's the same because they're only interested in serving the Lord.
佢哋咧淨係咧係有興趣咧係去為至尊主服務啦，所以無論佢哋去到天堂星球又好，去到地獄星球都好咧，其實對佢嚟講係冇分別。
So we should develop this akuto bhayam, fearless, free from doubt, free from fear.
咁我哋咧應該咧係要培養呢一個咧係無懼啦，冇任何懷疑嘅呢一個嘅品質。
And Prabhupada also said, you can be fearless, but even if you're fearless, you should not be a fool.
咁聖爸爸就話：你係可以無懼嘅，即係冇恐懼嘅，但係你唔可以成為一個蠢材。
For example, if downstairs there's people shooting and so you cannot say, oh, I'll just sit here and chat. No, you're going to hide. 咁就好似咧，譬如下邊喺度槍戰緊啊，有人喺度槍戰，你冇理由咧就係蠢到話，我就坐喺下邊念經啦，冇問題嘅。咁呢個咧就係一個愚蠢嘅，呢個就係非常你應該係去匿埋噶嘛。呢個就係如果你咁坐喺度話唔驚嘅，咁呢個咧就係一個愚蠢嘅行為。So there's danger. One should be very careful also. You cannot be a fool.
咁就當遇到危險嘅時候咧，你就要好小心啦，即係唔係應該做一啲愚蠢嘅行為。
Actually, devotees, pure devotees like Prahlad, they were fearless, but they were fearful for all of us.
咁咧，作為一個純粹嘅奉獻者，好似 Prahlad Maharaj 咁咧，佢哋咧係佢哋本身係無懼嘅，但係咧佢哋對其他人咧，佢哋係會擔心嘅。
Why? Because if we don't understand there's a better life in the spiritual world than living in this material world. Padam padam yad vi padam na tesham. So the material world is full of difficulties and all kinds of problems that come up. You never know what is going to happen tomorrow.
咁呢個物質世界充滿咗痛苦啦，無法預計嘅嘢啦，你永遠都唔知道咧，聽日咧會發生啲乜嘢。
Danger, padam padam yad vi padam. Every step we take, there's always danger, but we do not know.
我哋行嘅每一步咧，都充滿咗危險，但我哋都係唔會知道。
So what we can see in today's verse is Yudhishthira is showing us that one should retire voluntarily.
咁所以咧，今日嘅詩節話俾我哋聽，Yudhishthira 話俾我哋聽咧，我哋係需要咧係自願咁樣咧係去退休。
You can only retire if you are preparing all your life to take up spiritual life.
我哋係只可以咧，當我哋已經準備好我哋去開始我哋嘅靈性嘅生命嘅生活嘅時候咧，我哋就準備好咧，我哋可以去退休。
That means your goal is, I want to go back to Godhead. I want to go back to Goloka. I want to get out of this place.
咁我哋嘅目標咧，就我哋要離開呢個地方，我哋要翻去回歸神手啦，翻去 Goloka Vrindavan。
If you spend 90% how to live in this material world happily, then you will not be able to think of Krishna at the time of death.
如果我哋咧一生人嘅90% 嘅時間咧，都喺度計劃我哋點樣去喺呢個物質世界度好開心咁生活咧，咁我哋就冇辦法咧喺佢死亡嗰一刻咧，就係記住 Krishna。
I know of an old man, he's like 86 years old, and he's running a business, and he's got sons, they are like 40, 50 years old, and he wouldn't give the power to them.
咁我識得有啲咧係已經80幾歲嘅老伯伯啦，佢哋做生意嘅，咁佢已經有啲40-50歲嘅仔啦，但佢仍然咧係唔放手咧，將呢一啲生意咧俾佢個仔去管理。
Why? Because he has no spiritual understanding.
咁點解咧？就因為佢冇任何靈性嘅覺悟。
When we practice spiritual life nicely, we develop detachment, as I explained earlier. Automatically you develop detachment, not attachment.
咁如果我哋係正確咁修習嘅話咧，我哋自然咧就會咧係培養出呢一個氣絕嘅，就唔係依附。
So here we see Yudhishthira Maharaj, he doesn't want to be a householder anymore, or he didn't want to be a king anymore.
咁喺呢度咧，我哋見到咧，Yudhishthira王咧已經唔想咧係再過呢個居士嘅生活啦，唔想繼續咧做呢個國王。
It is not that household life is condemned. It's just that you cannot be attached too much.
咁並唔係話我哋咧要摒棄呢個居士嘅生活，而係我哋唔可以太過依附呢種生活。
So we should quickly recognize, look at the world situation, see how it's affecting so many millions of people, and then we should see what is good for us, how we can progress in our Krishna consciousness nicely.
咁我哋睇到呢個世界啲人點樣去生活啦，咁我哋咧應該咧係明白到咧，我哋應該點樣去正確去收集，點樣可以咧好好咁樣進步。
What you see nowadays is the politicians are actually the kings of this world.
咁我哋睇到咧現今咧呢啲政治家啊，就好似咧係國王咁樣。
But instead of being saintly kings, they are like highway robbers.
但係佢哋唔係一啲好嘅神聖嘅國王啦，佢哋好似啲強盜咁樣。
And you can see most people are happy doing some very menial jobs, and they think their life is happy. Or they are not happy actually.
好多人咧都做一啲好勞動、好即係黑板嘅工作啦。佢哋以為自己快樂，但係其實咧根本係唔快樂。
And you can't find any high class thinking kind of people anymore. Everyone is becoming like Shudra or worse.
咁所有人咧，你揾唔到咧一啲係有崇高思想嘅人啦。所有人咧都變得咧好似一啲樹陀、一啲即係工人咁樣。
And according to the 12th canto, as Kali Yuga progresses, even the cows will grow and become small as goat.
咁咧喺第12篇聖典博家談亦都有講到咧，當卡利年代係不斷發展嘅時候咧，呢個牛咧都會慢慢咧係變細，變到好似一隻羊咁樣。
Yeah, and in most places they say they're spiritual. You go there, it's nothing. It's just entertainment and some.
就算一啲所謂嘅靈性嘅地方咧，你去到咧都揾唔到任何靈性嘅活動啦，就係變得好似一啲娛樂活動咁樣。
Yeah. So we should understand, no? We are Manda Sumanda Mattayo, Manda Bhagyo, Hi Upadrutaha. Our lives are very short.
咁我哋必須要明白咧，我哋人生咧係好短暫嘅。
In this age, we are very quarrelsome and we are lazy and misguided.
喺呢個年代咧，我哋係好懶惰啦，亦都係充滿咗爭執。
We are very unlucky.
我哋咧非常之不幸。
And therefore, we are always disturbed.
咁所以咧，我哋咧無時無刻咧都係受騷擾嘅。
So when we practice nicely, we can share what our realizations is, and we can give people true affection, through love, and when they recognize that and see that, they also can rise above the modes that are affecting them.
咁如果我哋好咁收集嘅話咧，我哋可以將呢一個將呢個我哋嘅關心、我哋嘅愛咧係去感染其他人啦，亦都咧係可以令到佢哋咧係由佢哋而家所處嘅屬性嗰度咧係得到提升。
So as practicing devotees, some things you can take home, you can think, you should ask yourself, are you preparing yourself for the end of your life?
咁作為一個修習嘅奉獻者咧，我哋可以問下自己，我哋係咪已經準備好？我哋已經係準備好我哋去迎接呢個死亡嘅呢一刻咧
？Who is that? Maharaj Khatvanga, right? Right? He came, he was helping the demigods, and then he said, how much time I have left.
呢個有一個國王啦，佢咧就係Karanga， 佢咧就係幫呢個半神人打仗啊，但係問咗一條問題就我仲有幾多時間
？Then when he was told, oh, you only have 1 minute.
咁半神人就同佢講，你剩翻1分鐘嘅生命。
But because he has practiced Krishna consciousness all his life as a king, even that 1 minute he could go and meditate on the Supreme Lord and go back.
因為佢一生咧都喺度係收集噶啦，收集 Krishna 知覺。咁所以咧，就算佢得翻1分鐘嘅生命咧，佢仍然可以咧即刻咧就係全神貫注冥想住至尊主。
So in the same way, we should practice deeply, and most of us are getting old. We are not young.
咁所以我哋必須要好好收集啦。我哋每一個咧都已經係越嚟越年長啦，已經唔係年青啦。
Try to balance responsibility with spiritual preparation.
咁我哋咧要同我哋嘅責任啦，同埋我哋嘅收集咧中間咧係取得呢個平衡。
Practice early detachment. Don't wait for until you cannot.
咁我哋咧要培養呢個越早嘅，即係要係盡早去棄絕啦，就唔好話等到我哋冇辦法之下先做。
Encourage and empower younger generation to take over.
咁我哋咧要鼓勵啦，同埋亦都係培養咧年青嘅一代咧係去繼續呢一啲嘅服務呢啲責任。
And then the older devotees should focus on doing deeper Krishna conscious activity.
咁而年長嘅奉獻者咧就係要專注喺一啲咧更加深入嘅 Krishna 知覺嘅呢啲活動。
Ask yourself, am I still holding on to positions?
咁你可以問下自己，你係咪仍然好依戀呢一啲所謂嘅職位咧？
Yeah, because you cannot do much. If you're not Krishna conscious, you cannot really develop whatever position you're holding.
因為如果你冇呢個 Krishna 知覺咧，根本咧冇辦法能夠咧係做好你啲所謂嘅職位。
So you can see Maharaj Yudhishthira is acting so responsible to guide the society.
咁我哋睇到咧，Yudhishthira王咧係非常有呢個責任感嘅，嚟到去引導呢一個嘅社會。
So you can ask yourself, am I becoming more like Hiranyakashipu or more like Maharaj Yudhishthira?
咁你可以問下自己啦，我係咪越嚟越變得似呢個 Hiranyakashipu 咯，定係咧係朝住呢個 Yudhishthira王嘅方向去走咧
Okay lah. Now let's stop. Comments, questions, reflections. Yeah.
Comment. It was a.
你講。
Okay.
The class was a lot to take.
Yes.
But yeah.
Life is a lot to take
It
also.
brought me to a lot of questions I have to answer myself.
Yes.
咁呢個課題呢個課堂講咗好多嘢啦，亦都帶俾我好多問題，我要問自己嘅。
So thank you very much for your
You're welcome.
your,
Yeah.
your class.
I think I can have some realization because
Share. Go ahead.
I just retired.
Yeah, share your realization. Why you took that?
I don't think I'm a pure devotee.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I'm a pure devotee. I'm
Yes.
still practicing. I still have a lot of attachment, but at least I'm not attached to my job, my position in the job anyway.
Yeah.
So, and I really feel I have enough, working enough. I mean, my job as a job is enough. So That's why I'm happy to retire. But of course, whether after retirement I can go deeper into the practice, it's another thing. It's
Yeah.
another thing. Yeah, actually.
But at least you give yourself an opportunity.
Yeah, at least I tried.
Yes.
But whether I can go to the other side, it's another option.
That's up
yeah.
to the mercy.
Yeah, yeah. 咁我覺得有少少分享啦，因為我退咗休啦，咁我覺得我真係夠啦，足夠啦，即係喺我翻工嘅方面咧已經係完全足夠啦，咁所以咧係完全係我冇任何依附我嘅工作，咁所以我就退休。咁但係當然啦，退休唔代表我可以係去更加深入咁樣，即係好似爸爸講，深入去收集 Krishna 知覺，呢個係另外一樣嘢嚟嘅。咁但係起碼咧有呢個機會可以去咁樣做。Yeah.
Sorry.
你講。
頭先講到咧，即係我哋對自己所嗰個責任咧，同我哋即係收集，即係你要，即係你用多啲時間去收集嗰個平衡點樣可以點樣去取捨有時。
So, Papa, you mentioned that we have to strike a balance between our responsibility and our practice. So, how to do that?
You should know what you're doing first.
咁首先你要知道你自己喺度做緊啲乜嘢。
And you should see, for example, when you're young, there's a lot of things you have in your heart. There's a lot of desires. You want to accomplish things. So there's a leeway because you're young. You could do many things also.
咁當你年青嘅時候，你好多嘢，你心入面想做好多嘢，於是咁你當然你年青你都可以做好多嘢。
But over the years, you should see also, is it inhibiting you from doing your devotional practices?
咁但係隨住時間，你可以睇下緊呢啲你想做嘅嘢咧，係咪影響緊，即係唔好咁樣影響你去收集 Krishna 知覺咧？
Is it allowing you to chant peacefully? It is allowing you to give time to come and see the deities.
咁係咪呢啲嘢係咪會令到你有足夠時間去好好咁樣念誦啦？令到你有時間嚟到念廟堂嗰度咧係緊見神像。
Now let's say when you started your Krishna conscious, you spend maybe 2-3 hours a day with Krishna.
咁可能你諗下，你開始收集嘅時候咧，每日咧係用2-3個鐘頭咧嚟到同 Krishna 喺埋一齊。
But after 30 years, you still spend 2 hours, 3 hours.
咁但係咧
something is wrong.
如果係過咗30年，你仍然咧每一日咧仲係2-3個鐘係為咗Krishna 嘅，咁係咪有啲嘢唔啱咧？有啲嘢發生咗咧？
It could be you don't understand the importance of spiritual life.
咁可能咧係你唔明白呢一個靈性生活嘅重要性。
It could be that you don't have sufficient faith.
或者咧係你冇足夠嘅信心。
Or it could be that you don't believe this thing will work.
或者咧你根本咧唔相信呢啲嘢咧係其實係幫到你嘅。
And therefore, one has to come with proper intelligence. One will come to ask, why am I doing this thing?
咁如果你有呢個正確嘅智慧嘅話咧，就會問啦，究竟我點解做緊呢啲嘢咧？
Why am I not having taste?
點解我咧冇呢個品味咧？
So all these things are indicators for us to say that we are not doing the practice properly.
咁呢啲咧，所有嘢都話俾我聽啦。我哋咧個收集咧有啲唔正確嘅地方。
A serious re-evaluation is necessary.
咁所以咧，你要恒常咁樣去評估下自己。
That's where you approach your spiritual master or your spiritual Shiksha gurus and tell them, okay, I am afraid now.
咁所以咧，你要去揾你嘅靈性導師啦，或者你嘅訓示靈性導師啦，問佢同佢講咧，我而家咧覺得有恐懼。
I don't want to be afraid when I'm dying.
我好驚咧，我咧就係要死。
Help me out, schedule my spiritual life.
你可唔可以幫我咧計劃下我嘅靈性嘅生命咧？
And so when we go through what we do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, then we can highlight certain situations where we may not need to do anymore.
咁我哋睇翻我哋每一日做嘅嘢咧，每個星期做嘅嘢咧，咁係咪有啲嘢我哋根本唔需要再去做嘅咧？
We can develop new plans and goals you want to achieve before 1 year or 5 year, 10 year plans.
咁你可以咧係 訂立一啲計劃啦，一年啦、5年啦、10年嘅計劃。
So maybe by the time you die, you want to say, I want to know 100 verses.
咁可能咧就話喺我死之前咧，我想咧係能夠記得咧係100個詩節。
Yeah, so that as I'm dying, I can chant all the verses and think of Krishna and my spiritual master and devotees.
當我離開身體嗰刻嘅時候咧，我就咧可以咧係記憶住咧 Krishna 啦，我嘅靈性導師啦，同埋所有嘅奉獻者。
Or maybe you can also have nice, like one whole chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So if you do, it's very easy. It's not that hard. If you chant every day for the rest of what remaining life, by 1 year or 6 months, you will know the whole chapter.
咁如果你亦都可以每日念一章啦嘅詩節啦，咁咧當唔係好難嘅啫。咁當你真係過一段時間，可能1年咧，你就會記得晒呢一章嘅入邊嘅詩節。
Unless you show interest in Krishna, Krishna won't show interest in you.
除非咧我哋咧係對 Krishna 有興趣，如果唔係咧 Krishna 唔會咧係對我哋有興趣。
He will be neutral if you don't show interest.
如果我哋咧對佢，我哋唔將我哋對佢嘅興趣展示出嚟咧，佢就會係中立嘅。
Neutral means you are under the material modes.
中立嘅意思即係話咧，我哋會係俾呢個物質自然屬性所影響。
But if you show interest in Krishna, then he will come specifically to help you, give you trouble to see whether you are serious or not.
咁咧，如果你係展示出你對 Krishna 嘅興趣咧，佢咧就會嚟揾你啦。佢咧就會俾測試你，睇下你係咪真係好認真咁對佢。
Yeah. So balancing is not overnight thing. It's a transformation of your heart.
咁所以呢個平衡咧並唔係一夜之間可以做得到嘅，而係咧係我哋內心嘅一個轉化。
When we say balance means our focus now shifts towards more spiritual activities.
平衡意思咧，即係話，即係我哋嘅專注喺更加多嘅靈性嘅活動嗰方面。
And then you'll find your life will make more sense. Your practices will be more meaningful, and you're very happy because you know you have a connection with this most wonderful person.
咁你嘅人生啦就會變得更加有意義啦。咁你因為咧，你會發覺你就同呢一個咁美妙嘅人物咧，係更加緊密咁樣聯繫埋喺埋一齊。
Okay. All right. I mean, you can talk a seminar on it, but okay. All right. Thank you very much. Grantara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Gaur Brahmanand.